Hello everyone, look at these beautiful hearts. Let's make it. We are going to fold this blue craft paper first into half like this. Then we are going to again open it and fold it from its bottom. Make a small fold. After this, again fold it into half like this. Then we are going to open it and then start folding it from its corner like we are doing here, and do the same from other side, and you will get a shape like this. Again make folds from its sides like this. Open it. Now we are going to fold it from its corners and we are going to press it here and tuck the paper inside from the corner. Do the same from this side as well. Fold it from its sides and tuck the paper inside using your thumb like this. Now we are going to give it shape by folding it and making it secure from its sides. After this, we are going to blow it from its bottom and your heart is ready. Look at these beautiful butterflies. Let's make it. So take a small piece of square paper and start folding it. Make a triangular shape. Cut it from its side. Curve it. Now open it. Again fold it like this and tuck it inside. Press it and look, your butterfly is ready. Let's make this beautiful container. So take a paper and start folding it from its diagonals. Again fold it and make 4 triangles at the center. Now fold it, press it, you will get a shape like this. Here we are making a petal shape, so do the same from other side as well. Now tuck it inside from its bottom side like we are doing here. Now flip it and do the same from this side as well. Now turn the paper and fold it like we are doing here. Now gently open it using your thumb and look, you will get your beautiful container like this. Flip it and it's done. Let's make this beautiful bird using craft paper. We are going to fold this printed craft paper from its diagonals. Press it. Now again fold it from its sides. Flip it and we are going to do the same from this side as well. Press it like this. Then make a cut at the center. Now fold it like we are doing here and gently press it. After this, we are going to make mini folds like this and from other side as well. Look how we are doing here. After this, flip it. Now we are going to fold it from its bottom. Flip it again and then we're going to fold it into half like this. Pull the paper downwards and press it, and look, we're going to do this from this side as well. Now we are going to fold the beak like this and its claws as well. Paste its eyes and your parrot is ready. We're going to make these beautiful origami flowers. So take a craft paper, fold it into half and then start folding it from its bottom part. Cut it, you will get a pentagon shape like this. Now press it and you will get a diamond shape. Again fold it from its bottom part and look, you will get a mini pentagon at the center. Now press it from the crease. Again press it. Now fold it like we are doing here. Gently open it, you will get a star shape at the center. Now we are going to flip it and start folding it from its sides like this. Again fold it and it's done. We are going to fold the petals and look, your flower is ready. Let's make these beautiful heart-shaped rolls. So take a square paper, fold it from its diagonals, again fold it from its sides. Now open it like this. Here we are making the shape of a box. After this, press it and give it a shape of heart like this. Then we are going to roll another paper, make a stick. Similar way, we are rolling 3 such papers and make 3 such boxes and combine all of them together. Put it inside the stick like this. Paste a sticker at the top and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.